Muriithi Nyaga, CEO.
As the strike by Kenya Airways pilots entered the fourth day, pilots found themselves in unfamiliar territory at the Employment and Labor Relations Court. The pilots facing contempt of court after the Kenya Airline Pilots Association (KALPA) kicked off a strike 4 days ago, despite a court order obtained by Kenya Airways. The pilots sought 7 days to allow those cited for contempt to seek legal representation.
If we give you 7 days to respond, what is going to happen to your organization?
Lady Justice Anna Mwaure, after listening to the parties in the case, ordered them to engage in talks.
So I have ordered them to talk and see whether we can have, even if it's a partial agreement for the time being, to be returned to me at 2:30 today.
Legal teams representing KQ and the Pilots Association (KALPA) were back in court in the afternoon, but with nothing to report. The court made its ruling.
The respondent members, and especially the Kenya Airways pilots, to resume their duties as pilots by 6 a.m. on 9th November 2022 unconditionally.
Lady Justice Anna Mwaure has directed the KQ management not to take any disciplinary action against the pilots who kept off the skies for 4 days.
The applicants, KQ, to allow the pilots to perform their duties without harassing them or intimidating them, and especially by not taking any disciplinary action against any of them.
The strike by the pilots who want Kenya Airways to honor their pension savings plan left dozens of flights grounded, hundreds of passengers stranded, and the export of tons of fresh produce cargo stalled. On Monday, KQ announced vacancies to replace pilots who went on strike. Azimio la Umoja One is faulting the government over how it handled the strike.
There's neither leadership nor direction. Instead, there are only threats to the striking pilots, blame games, backpassing, and politicking over the matter.
With a loss of an estimated 300 million shillings daily, the 4-day strike spells more trouble for the national carrier, which is already trying to weather financial turbulence. Rita Tinina, KTN News.